We're here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, and I've managed to grab Jeff White, who's the head of APAC for service providers at Cisco. Jeff, welcome. Good to see you again.
Thank you, Tony.
I'm really interested to hear more about your new announcements, particularly around the strategic framework that you're going to be offering telcos in the region.
We're very excited about the strategic framework that we've coined as MOVE. It's a play on the words monetize, optimize, and capturing the video experience for our customers. And around that, we've announced three major product announcements this week. The first of which is around the Videoscape experience, which we announced at CES, but we've now taken that concept and extended it to the mobility network. We've announced a new technology and adaptive intelligent routing that we're porting as an application onto the 5K or our packet core solution. And then lastly, we've introduced a new SP Wi-Fi architecture, an outdoor antenna that can be used for 3G and 4G offloads on the Wi-Fi network.
Jeff, let me take you back to the MOVE architecture. I'd like to hear a little bit more about that.
Well, it fundamentally gets down to the economics for the operators. And what we're focused on, Tony, is how do we help them change the economics? How do we help them drive top line? How do we give them a better operational expenditure in terms of how they manage those networks? And then ultimately the experience that they provide to their customers. So in this announcement, we've announced some capabilities that effectively open up the network and allow them to open up a set of APIs, and they can attract third-party developers. They can offer video as a service. They can ultimately change the way that traffic is moved around on the network and the way that decisions are made within the network to fundamentally change the economics of it.
Jeff, you made an announcement at CES recently on Videoscape. The architecture, particularly around Videoscape, and now you're talking about mobile Videoscape. What's the difference? Is it just an extension?
There's a very big difference, first of all. And if you talk to any of the operators, the major trend that they're seeing right now is significant growth on video traffic that's happening in their network. And so what we've done is we've introduced an architecture that allows them to take advantage of that. We've taken software and application, we've put that onto the ASR 5K, formerly the Starent product and acquisition that we made last year. And that basically enables the operator to optimize the video traffic that's happening across their network. Additionally, we've also introduced a application integration engine that sits on our UCS platform, and we combine that with our content delivery network. Again, that enables the operator to change the economics, change the experience by pushing applications and content to the edge.
Cisco's been helping the operators in the video and application space in particular, but are there any other areas that you're starting to concentrate on?
We are. We help them in terms of the intelligence that we port into the network, first of all. And so that's part of the announcement that we've made this week in particular. So we take the architecture that was centralized and we now distribute this and the intelligence out. So last year we had a very exciting announcement around the Starent acquisition. We've taken that technology, we've now ported that onto our platforms of the 1K and the 9K so that we can take that service control for the operator, we can push that deeper into the network, we can push intelligence deeper into the network, and it basically allows the operator to have more control over the experience for the end user and also in how information gets routed across the network. So it fundamentally changes the economics for them. It pushes more content to the edge and gives the end user a much better experience overall.
And the Wi-Fi announcement, I'd like to understand better how the Wi-Fi offload is working. How exactly will that be working for an operator, and how do they benefit from it?
Well, they benefit from it in a few ways. First of all, it helps them to extend their reach. It helps them to take traffic that's on their 3G or 4G networks and offload that onto a Wi-Fi architecture. It's an outdoor antenna. It's based on a standard 802.11. And basically it gives the operator an opportunity to, again, change the economics, extend their reach, and offer a differentiated set of capabilities in their network.
Jeff White, thanks so much for spending time with me today. Thank you.
Thank you, Tony.